Achha, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me share the screen. Achha, displacement and distance. The difference already done too. Just tell me, have you understood or not? Those who were in the last class, just tell me it is clear to you or not. Yes or no? Just unmute yourself and say it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is a network problem. Achha, okay. Now today I will explain the difference between speed and velocity. Okay. Basically, if you know the difference between distance and displacement, then you can understand the difference between speed and velocity. Okay. Now, what is the speed and what is the velocity? Okay. Basically, the speed is, suppose you are moving along a path. Okay. Look, from A to B. Suppose this one is A, this one is B. Basically, I told you the distance means how much you covered. Yes. And the displacement means the straight line path with this direction. Suppose from A to B, we are moving. It is clear? Now, the speed is nothing but the rate of change of distance with time. Change of this distance. Okay? With time. Suppose, look, how fast you are moving. You are covering the distance from A to B though. But suppose Orijit is also going from A to B. Okay, and Purvasha is also going. That is, the speed means how fast you are moving. Clear too? From A to B. The distance you covered, but how fast you are moving in time. Clear too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then velocity is what? Basically, velocity, it is with respect to the displacement. The speed means with respect to, look, distance we have find out, but the velocity means with respect to this displacement. Okay, that means how fast you are moving in time with a certain direction, because displacement means there is a direction. The direction is adding over there. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why when we calculate the velocity, that means it is with respect to displacement. That means the same thing, how fast our body is moving in time, but with direction. So that means in a certain direction. Clear? This one is clear to you, or yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Achha, now just 1 minute. Yesterday I told you that displacement can be zero. You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, why? Because when the starting point and the ending point is same, then the displacement can be zero. Yes, no,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can remember. Okay.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
means if displacement can be zero, that means velocity also can be zero, na? Because
Yes.
velocity depends on the displacement, na?
Yes, ma'am.
But speed depends on distance. Yes, so, but distance can never be zero. That means speed cannot be, is not zero. Clear to this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, now how to write, how to calculate this? Look, that means speed, we can write speed is equal to, it is the rate of change of distance with time, na? That means distance by time, yes or no?
Yes.
With respect
Yes,
to
ma'am.
time, the change of distance, rate of distance, yes or no? And velocity
Yes,
means
ma'am.
what? Velocity means displacement by time, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, up to this clear to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha,
Now we have to
basically
write this
distance,
one.
wait, when I will make you write that the difference between speed and distance, then you will write all the things. Just right now try to understand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Achha. suppose we are denoting this distance by s. Okay. Then displacement will also be to s, but only the difference is it is the direction we have to mention. This means direction, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no. Acha, as in the displacement there is a direction, that means in velocity there must be a direction. It includes the direction. Yes, no.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if we denote speed or velocity by suppose v, I am clearing the board, huh? Look, suppose we are denoting speed or velocity by v. Clear? That means in case of speed, just v is equal to s by t. T means time. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But when we will write, we will calculate that velocity. That means there is a direction, so we have to put this direction sign. Clear? Is it clear? Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
acha, direction is equal to look displacement. Displacement means s. We have to put the direction sign. Yes. By time. This one is clear. Just tell me if you will not say forcefully, ma'am. Yes. If you have not understood, then you will say
No,
no.
I
Huh?
can't understand.
Okay, okay. Acha, have you understood this one? Look, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Have you understood this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just note it down, huh? Speed equal to distance by time. Just write it in your copy. Achha, now write. Let us denote speed, distance, and time by.
Ma'am, what?
Let us denote denote speed
Speed.
by v. Okay, that means by the word v. Okay, distance
Yes.
by s.
What is the B means?
This, okay, you can v actually it takes because velocity. That's why usually we take v. Okay, suppose acceleration we take a. Okay, but it is a word. You can also take u also. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
just a word we are mentioning this. Okay, we will not write in each and every time speed. That's why we are denoting it by a certain alphabet. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, distance just denoted by s. Okay, or you will say, ma'am, distance is starting from d. We can write also d. Okay, it doesn't actually matter. Okay, but usually there are some alphabet which we denote for a certain word. That's why I am using by s. Okay, and time by t. Okay, that means in place of time we are not going to write the whole word time. We'll just put t. Clear though?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear to all of you or not? Time by t. Just we are using a short, using our alphabet to make it short. Okay.
And speed by V.
Suppose speed by v, exactly. Suppose in the maths you do na length and breadth. Usually in each sum you write the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Always you write length into breadth. Sometimes you use na L into B. That L means length. L is the length is denoted by L and breadth is denoted by B. Now remember though? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to everyone properly or not?
Yes,
Even I
ma'am.
can't understand. Acha, time by the up to these all of you written. All of you written up to this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, yes, only 2 or 3 students are answering. Maybe they are not writing. or maybe there is a network problem. Okay. Acha, now look at this. Acha, why this V and T and S? This one is clear to you or not? Suppose I am just telling you one thing. Look. Look at this. Suppose in mathematics, usually look volume. In case of volume, we always write volume. We use na V, this word, this alphabet, yes or no, this letter. The same thing happens here, okay? We are denoting it by a certain alphabet. Clear or not?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, now look at this. Acha, all of you have written this speed is equal to distance by.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Understood? So that denoted part, have you understood? The denoted part? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, then say. I'm waiting. Acha, look. Same. Look, that means in place of that was speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Yes, though. That means in place of speed, we can write V is equal to distance means S by time means T. Yes or no? As we have denoted the speed by
Yes.
V. Yes, though. Just note it down. Just note it down. Up to this done.
Speed
Yes,
is denoted by V and distance is denoted by
Denoted
S.
by S. Yes, yes. And time is denoted by T. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Up to this written.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought speed will be S and distance will be D.
Actually, no. I told you that speed means basically velocity, speed. Both are almost related, very much close, huh? So in case of that velocity V we are taking too, but only speed means there is no direction. That's why we usually use V, but without the direction. Okay.
Okay, and
Or
for
you can,
distance,
for distance we use usually S, or you can, I told that you can also write D, but mention that distance, we denote distance by D, but you have to mention. Also, you can write whatever you want. Suppose P, I'm writing, okay, no problem. But in physics, there are some particular word or particular letter, particular alphabet, which are using in particular case, okay? That's why we take this type of thing. Okay. But which alphabet or which letter you are using, you have to mention that, okay? That we denote this by this. We denote time by T. We denote length by L. Clear though? You have to
Okay.
mention that. Suppose I am denoting length by using an alphabet B. Okay. Then I have to mention that denoting L by B, by the alphabet B. Okay, I have to mention. But there is a case in physics, in maths, usually for a certain word, we have to use a certain alphabet. That's why we are taking in this way. Clear though?
Okay.
Achha, now I am just rubbing the board. Up to this clear? Achha, now just let me explain one thing. Is there any direction I have written? Look, in S, in speed V, have I written any direction? Just like this?
No, ma'am.
No. That means this is scalar. Clear though? This is scalar.
Okay. Scalar.
Now just I am clearing. Now just write velocity. Velocity. That is also, it will be displacement by time. Displacement. Achha, there is no space. I am not writing MENT. Just write displacement by time. Okay. Displacement. Write MENT over there. Huh? Acha, now already in the last class I discussed that displacement means the straight line path with direction. Suppose we are moving from A to B.
Yes, ma'am.
This straight line path with the direction, yes, in a certain direction, yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
that means in this displacement there is a direction. It is vector, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if the displacement is vector, then the velocity will also be what? Scalar or vector? Because velocity is equal to displacement by time, na?
Yes.
So velocity ultimately depends on displacement. So if the
Displacement,
displacement
yes,
is
ma'am.
vector, then velocity is vector or scalar?
This vector.
Vector, actually, yes, vector. Because velocity depends on the displacement, na? And in the last class, I explained how far I can remember why the displacement is vector. Yes or no? You are not learning
Yes,
a
ma'am.
single thing. Just I am taking the class. Oh, this is the substitution class. No need to learn all the thing. Just listen. You need to go through the portion which I am writing, okay, in the class. Just go through the portion, go through the copy, okay. No need to remember all the things, just go through. Clear? So just see one time, just read one time, that is enough, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, so now just write velocity is equal to displacement by time. I think all of you have written displacement by time. Acha, now
Yes, ma'am.
now write velocity is denoted by acha, look, it is vector, so we will put V, but there we will put the direction sign above V. Clear? It proves that this is vector. Okay.
Yes.
While we are writing speed, only V. There was no direction. Na? That means that is scalar. This one is vector. Okay. There is a direction. That's why we are putting this direction sign. Clear to? Acha, displacement by displacement. We are denoting displacement by, then displacement is also with the direction. Na? So S above this direction sign. Clear? And time by T. Time by T. Clear to? Clear to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, okay. Acha, up to this done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am just clearing the
No,
board.
ma'am. Wait. I am
Acha,
writing
acha,
this.
Displacement denoted by
Time. By T.
time by T. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Complete.
Acha, now just look. We have written a velocity is equal to displacement by time, right? That means just write it by that word, by that letter we are denoting. That means V with direction is equal to S with direction by T. Yes or no? Yes? Just write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, that
Yes,
means
ma'am.
I think now it is clear the difference. Only look, ultimately speed and velocity, look, only the difference is here, the direction sign are over there.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
na? That means that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the speed is scalar, this one is vector. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so acha, now
Yes, ma'am.
I'll complete the difference between these two. There are so many points also apart from these 2 points. So I'll complete this in the next class. Probably I'll get the class tomorrow also. Okay. So I'll complete this in tomorrow's class. Okay. Now just let me take the attendance. Okay. Just let me take the attendance.